As someone who was not old enough to vote for the agreement, I am especially delighted to stand in this House to say, as I believed and my family believed 23 years ago, that this was our way to the future for a better Ireland. Growing up in a border area that has unfortunately seen its fair share of heartache and pain because of what happened over the past 100 years, I know the Good Friday Agreement changed everything. It changed my future, shaped who I am and many like me. We won't be able to count the lives that were saved because of the Good Friday Agreement, but we can certainly count the benefits of what peace brought to us all. I now look to the future, to the next 100 years, and our children won't thank us if in decades to come we are rehashing the same debate, begging people to show leadership to work constructively together. We need to detox the symbols, detox our identities, republicanism, loyalism, unionism, nationalism. I am a Republican. I believe in a united Ireland, but I believe in a republicanism that is embodied in our Irish flag and our Irish proclamation. Our flag symbolises peace between green and orange. Our proclamation heralds equal rights, equal opportunities, freedom of religious expression. Whereas all of us are cherished equally, no matter who you are or where you come from.
The Good Friday Agreement was a victory after a long and violent conflict. This motion seeks to reaffirm our commitment to this historic document and has put an end to decades of violence. Overall, we've had peace in Northern Ireland. We have a society that strives for harmony, and this motion underlines, in the true spirit of the Good Friday Agreement and its signatories, we too need now to strive for that very same respect, equality and partnership. Equality and partnership are crucial to any society, but they are most certainly important in Northern Ireland, and I fear these two aspects may be breaking down in recent years. As a member of the Committee on Implementation of the Good Friday Agreement in this House, I am acutely aware of the damage done to trust and partnership between communities by Brexit and its effects on Northern Ireland and its people. We must continue to repair the damage done and to strive for effective and pragmatic solutions to deep and complex issues and divisions that exist. Who are our leaders going to be? What can we do to restore that trust that has been damaged by the taking down of Stormont for 3 years, damaged by Brexit and the approach being taken by the British Government? What can we do to restore trust so that the North-South institutions can be fully implemented? And for me, this is key. If we achieve this much, and if we really grasp the opportunity given, we will be on a road to a much more lasting peace and prosperity for all our island.
We need to get on with the work of making people's lives better instead of creating more divisions. Get on with the work of the full implementation of the 3 strands of the Good Friday Agreement. Make this entire island stronger, more inclusive, more opportunities for our young people. Create one strong community with different traditions. Then only then will we get away from this ball of us versus them, orange versus green and Catholic versus Protestant. The Shared Island Unit offers this opportunity. It is of huge historical significance, and I thank An Taoiseach Micheál Martin for establishing it. For the first time in this nation's history, there is a dedicated unit focused on improving the lives and listening to all of us on this island.